Use the continuity to evaluate the limit. We have the limit as x approaches 4 of 5 plus the square root of x divided by the square root of 5 plus x. Well, we need to look at the numerator, and the numerator is 5 plus the square root of x. So what can we determine from that? We are dealing with the square root of x, so therefore this is continuous on the interval from 0 to infinity, because we know that we can take the square root of 0 and anything above. So therefore it is continuous from 0 to infinity. Now let's take a look at the denominator. If we take a look at that, this is the square root of 5 plus x. And this is continuous on the interval from -5 to infinity. However, now when we look at it as a function of a quotient, which is 5 plus the square root of x over the square root of 5 plus x, well, it is continuous on what interval? Well, we know it's going to be continuous from 0 to infinity because we cannot let our denominator be 0, but we also have to apply the numerator that the square root of x, so therefore it is continuous from 0 to infinity. Now, since it's continuous from 0 to infinity, we can see that 4 is continuous within that interval. So we can then evaluate this limit as x approaches 4 of the function 5 plus the square root of x over the square root of 5 plus x. So if we evaluate the limit, we have 5 plus the square root of 4 over the square root of 5 plus 4. So in the numerator, it's 5 plus 2. The square root of 5 plus 4 is 9, so that's going to give us 3. So therefore, our result is 7/3.